So here's how to fix Dota 2. Valve in tight sheet was unable to verify that your machine is secure. So first you want to open up Steam and then click on Dota 2, then right click and go to properties. Now you want to go to installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files and wait for it to finish checking the game files and repair any potentially corrupted files. Next, what you can do is right click on the Dota 2 again and then click manage, browse local files. And then you want to navigate to game folder and then bin folder, Win64. And then you want to right click on Dota 2, then click on properties. Now under compatibility tab, you want to check disable full screen optimizations and then run this program as administrator. You can leave this unchecked if you have the game working already without any issues. So you can click on apply and OK. Next you want to try to run the game again to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, if you still have the issue, what you can do is try to disable any overlays that might be interfering with the entire sheet. So for example, Steam overlay, you want to go to settings and then click on interface or in-game. I think the overlay is in the in-game section. So enable Steam overlay while in-game, make sure this is disabled. Now you can also try to disable the Discord overlay if you have Discord installed. So you want to open your Discord and then go to settings and then you want to go to appearance. You should see a section called overlay. If you scroll down, you should see game overlay. And then you want to scroll down a bit and make sure to disable the overlay. So you can skip this. Make sure enable overlay is unchecked and also enable legacy overlay is unchecked as well. Now you can close this. Now if you have other apps, you should do the same, such as NVIDIA for the graphics. Now when you open NVIDIA, you will need to go to settings and then make sure NVIDIA overlay is disabled like this. And the last thing is some other apps such as MSI Afterburner as well can have overlays. So you want to open the MSI Afterburner and disable the overlay as well. So when you open your MSI Afterburner, you want to click on the settings icon and then you want to go to on-screen display. So you can also disable the user interface and then go back to the screen overlay or screen display, click on more. And then in Riva Static Tuner, make sure you disable Start with Windows and Show on Screen Display. Now you can close out of this and make sure MSI or any of those apps are closed before launching the game. So you can search for them in this bar and right click and end task for any apps that you don't need while the game is running and that can cause issues. Next, you want to try to run Steam as admin. So you want to close Steam completely and then right click on it and click run as admin. And then try to launch the game again. And that should solve the problem generally. Now, one last thing to check is right click on Dota 2 properties and under general section, under the launch options, make sure you don't have a dash insecure command like this. Make sure you don't have this. Now if you have it, you can simply remove it and close this and launch the game again. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.